Hello everyone and welcome to Magistically Explanation. Today we are going to discuss types of sentences which is completely based on structure. There are four types of sentences structure. They are simple, complex, compound and compound complex. The quantity and arrangement of clauses determines the makeup of each type of sentences. Coming to simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of one independent clause. An independent clause contains a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. For example, I like coffee. Mary likes tea. The earth goes around the sun. These are the example which expresses a complete thought. These are some of the examples of a simple sentence and you can easily understand simple sentence by these examples. Coming to point number 2, compound sentence. A compound sentence is two or more independent clauses joined by a conjunction or a semicolon. Each of these clauses could form a sentence alone. For example, I like coffee and Mary likes tea. This is an example of compound sentence. Mary went to work, but John went to the party. Third example, our car broke down. We came last. These are the example of compound sentence. There are 7 coordinating conjunction and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so. By using all these 7 coordinating conjunction, you can easily form a compound sentence. Discussing our topic number 3, complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of an independent clause plus a dependent clause. A dependent clause starts with a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun and contain a subject and verb but does express a complete thought. This statement will make you understand about complex sentence. Complex sentence. For examples of complex sentences, we missed our plan because we were late. Example number 2, our dog barks when she hears a noise. Third, he left in a hurry after he got a phone call. Fourth, do you know the man who is talking to Mary? These are some of the examples by which you can understand complex sentence and it is very easy. Discussing our point number 4, compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence consists of at least 2 independent clause and 1 dependent clause. For example, John didn't come because he was ill, so Mary not happy. Second, he left in a hurry after he got a phone call, but he came back 5 minutes later. These are some of the examples of compound complex sentences. Coming to multiple sentences. A multiple sentence is a sentence which has 3 or more main independent or alpha clauses with no subordinate or dependent clause. Each of these clauses can stand on its own as a simple sentence. Consider these sentences. By this statement, you can understand multiple sentence. And example of multiple sentences are he came, he saw, and he concurred. These are the example of multiple sentence. John cleared the garbage, washed the dirty car, and later went to the gym to play football. This is another example of multiple sentence. Coming to multiple complex sentence. This is the last type of sentences under structural classification of sentences. A multiple complex sentence has 3 main independent or alpha clauses plus at least one subordinate, dependent or beta clause. Example of this sentence type includes. This statement will make you understand about multiple complex statement and it is very important for you. In this video, we have understand types of sentences which are based on structure. In our next video, we will be starting our module 2. Thanks for watching this video.